with their salah. You're cheating with your prayer. And what did that usually refer to? That a person, as the Prophet ﷺ saw that man and said, get up and pray, you haven't prayed. What was it? That he wasn't settling in every position. So if you're not settling in every position, it's like you're not praying, right? There has to be a bare minimum of getting up from your ruku', standing, let your bones settle, ruku' settle, sujood settle, between the two sajdas settle. There has to be a level of tranquility that's achieved in your posture. So Hudayfa radiallahu anhu saw this man come in, prayed like this. Hudayfa radiallahu anhu called him over and he said to him, منذ كم تصلي هذه الصلاة? How long have you been praying like this? قال منذ 40 عاما, 40 years. قال ما صليت منذ 40 عاما. You haven't prayed for 40 years. SubhanAllah, I mean it's demoralizing, right? And he says, وَلَوْ مِتَّ وَأَنْتَ تُصَلِّي هَذِهِ الصَّلَاةِ لَمِتَّ عَلَى غَيْرِ فِطْرَةِ مُحَمَّدٍ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ. If you would have died and this was your salah, you would have died not on the way of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like this is serious, by the way, a message especially to all of us in our salah. Do not cheat with your salah. And then Hudayfa radiallahu anhu says to him, after he taught him how to pray again, he said to him, إِنَّ الرَّجُلَ لَيُخَفِّفُ وَيُتِمُّ وَيُحْسِنُ. He said, look, it's possible for you to pray a light salah, a short salah, and still pray it right. But you have to have, at the bare minimum, settle in every position of your salah. Do not pray like a rooster, as the Prophet ﷺ used to say.